Do you know how to migrate your WordPress website from local server to live server? If not, it's okay. You will learn today. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can migrate your WordPress website from local server to the live server or from live server to another live server using all-in-one WP migration, which is very popular WordPress plugin with a comprehensive set of features. Unlike some other plugins on the list, it's not a backup plugin. It only specializes in website migration. Okay, let's begin migration process. In the first step, we will visit our WordPress website. You can see this website. It's on local server. You know, local server we use to test the website before migrating or uploading it to a live server. In the next step, we will search all in one WP migration plugin. Click on the first option shown on your Chrome browser. Here we have all-in-one WP migration version 7.16, which is last updated 6 hours ago. Now download this plugin. I have already downloaded this plugin, so I will not download it again. After download completed, you need to install this plugin on your local server, also on your live server. Go to your local server dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new plugins. Now search all in one WP migration. Here we have our all-in-one WP migration plugins. You can see more details by clicking on the option. They also have the installation guide, changelog, screenshot, and customer reviews. It is one of the best plugins used to migrate WordPress website from one server to another server. Okay, click on install now. Our installation has begun. After the installation, now activate the plugin on our local server. Click activate. Okay, now we will export all the data of our website, including theme, plugins, and databases. Here we can see all-in-one WP migration option. Click on all-in-one WP migration option. Click on the plugin and export the data. We have a multiple option to export data into file, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, and other option to store our data. I will click on the file and the plugin is preparing to export our website data. Wait a little bit because we have large files including themes and multiple plugins, so it will take a little bit of time. Once the export is complete, we can download it to our computer. Okay, here we have the option to download our localhost file. Click on download and save it to your computer. We have successfully downloaded localhost server file, which includes all of our themes, plugins, and databases. Now we will apply the same steps to our live website to migrate the localhost web test website to our live server. Go to your live server and follow the same steps to install all-in-one WP migration plugin, to import the file which we have downloaded from our local server. Log into your website, enter the username and password. Okay, on our live website, I will tell you how you can install a migration plugin manually because sometimes WordPress shows some error. So click on upload plugin, and here we have the option to upload file. Download the plugin from here. Now upload the plugins. You can choose file either in this way, or you can simply drag the plugin file to the choose file option. Click on install now. Now activate the plugin because plugin installed successfully. Okay, click on all-in-one WP migration import option. Here we have the option to drag and drop a backup file to import it to our live server. Before importing, you can see the front end of our live website. Here we have a coming soon page. Now we simply import the local server file to this live server website. Click on import from file. Now select the file. Our local server website is now importing on our live website. It is the simplest way to migrate your local server website to a live server using all-in-one WP migration plugin. All of our media files, themes, and plugins are now importing to our live website. It will take a little bit of time. If you face any problem while migrating your website from local to live server, please feel free to comment. Now overwriting our local server website. Okay, the website which we created on local server is now imported on our live server. Click on proceed. Wait a few minutes. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, now we will check our live URL. Okay, here you can see the website which we created on local server is now successfully migrated to the live server without any loss of data and plugins.